Hi guys, welcome to Complex Life Simple Rules. My name is Arun Kumar. Today I will talk about my favorite finance book, and the book name is The Richest Man in Babylon. When I was reading this book, I thought this is a very complex book, but this book based on very simple concepts of how to save money, reinvest that, and become rich. Initially, I thought about, only you have to be, super intelligent, super finance savvy to understand any finance book and invest and, save money. But after reading this book, I realized uh, grow your income or grow your overall wealth is a systematic process. And this book, I learned 8 lessons, which I will share with you. Lesson number 1 is start your purse to fattening. And in this lesson, author talk about that whatever you earn, divide that into 10 different parts and always save 10% of your income every month and put it somewhere. This is the money which you save somewhere. Don't use for any expenditures like no emergency fund, nothing. This is just a separate fund you always keep. Control your expenditures. First thing first, our expenses always overtake our earning. So always try your best to control your expenditures. Think in terms of need and want. We have lots of want, but we have limited needs. So spend your money to target your need, not your wants. That is one of the important point, and you should think about it. Control your expenditures. It's not about how much you are earning. It's all about how much you are saving, how much your expenses are. Lesson number 3. Now you saving that money which you save every month, put in some safe location. Now think about that money. Make your gold multiply. It means how you can multiply that money. Now you are saving 10% each month, and at the end of the month you have some end of the year, sorry, you have that money. Now think about that how you can put that money to it will multiply for you. Here I have one important lesson is that don't think about quick money. Don't think about quick money because quick money is all about scam. You cannot be rich overnight. You have to work hard, or you have to think about your money and invest in such a way that it will give you good return. So find a knowledgeable person in the finance who has a very good knowledge about investment and investment, and give that money to this person so that he can invest. Guard your treasure from loss. Now think about this point. The money where you invest, always make sure it's a safe. Maybe you are getting less return, but it should be safe. Second thing, always have an insurance of all your assets, like your home, your car, or whatever expensive items you have. Always make sure you have a good insurance of that. On your own home, people always debate about should I rent or buy. If you can, always go buy, and make sure buy in such a way that your home, I think, installments or money you're paying, it should not more than your earning. It should be limited. It should never exceed more than 25% your earning. Ensure future income. Yeah, everybody will get old when, and that time will come when we don't have energy to earn, so we need, still our need will remain same, food or safety. So we should ensure that we invest in such a way that that life, that time of the life, we have enough money to survive. Increase your ability to earn. Make sure you always keep increasing your capabilities to earn, and you can do that in your own area, or the next level of your learning you can go there. So these are the few great lessons which I learned in this book, and I hope you like this, and don't forget to read this book because that has great lessons as well. Thank you. Enjoy.